Okay, we'll be doing this today. So here it is. You have to make the curve like this. Okay, make a line here, make a circle, and from this part like this. This is the drawing. Then now let's start with the coloring. I'm going to mark it. We are going to use the red color here. We are going to use the orange color. We are going to use, this is a sap green. We are going to use the black. A little bit of brown. We are going to use a little light green. Okay, and a little kind of blue to make it a little dark. But these are all the kind of colors we are going to use. You can see. And now let's start. The screen is fine. Let me do it this way. Okay. So I can just have your colors so you can see. Take the red color. First outline it. Like this. Now here, wherever I'm just filling the color completely, you can fill the color. Wherever I'm giving the gap, you can give the gap. So you can fill that with a different color. Bend your oil pistol. Like this. Here in the top part, while making the circle, this right. Okay. And just use this black color here, make a round circle, and use the red color to fill it up. A little brown here also. And just, with light hand, you can draw like this. And here a little, and here a little. And take this deep green. Okay, take this orange first and just move your hand round and round and fill it up here. Now use the deep yellow. Sorry, I didn't pick up the deep yellow, right? You have to pick this deep yellow. First, blur this with the orange color here, like this, and just move your hand here like this. Then take this green, sap green it is, okay, and you have to color it like this way. Now here you can see to make it a little darker, you have to use this blue color here at this part. Because I don't have this dark kind of blue, you can see it turning into green, right? Take the white color a little bit to make the highlighting part here. Take this brown color, a little bit of darkness. You have to hold it from the back. Okay, this is how it's going to look like. Hope you like it. Like this, okay? Do this one and show me. Thank you.